Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Minor 4 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, like if these earbuds are not synced to one another, so you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, like only one earbud is working, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your phone, or if they keep disconnecting. A factory reset can fix a lot of the issues that you can have with these earbuds. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to have it forget all the pairing history and settings, so we can go ahead and set these earbuds up like they're brand new coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. All we need to do, since we're setting them up brand new, we're going to go to our phone or anything they've been paired with in the past and delete the previous pairing off of there, because we're going to set these up new once we're done. And then we're going to put the earbuds in the case as shown here, leaving the lid open. And then we're just going to come and find the button on the bottom of the case just to the left of the USB-C charging jack. And we're just going to press and hold that button for 10 seconds. Basically, you're going to hold it until after about 10 seconds, the light on the case will turn purple, indicating that the reset has been complete. And now you can go ahead and take these earbuds out of the case or just start pairing them again as a brand new set of earbuds. So if this helped, if you could leave a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.